Hello, NeXT community. Well, as usual, I've been working on too many projects at once. I guess it's called functional ADD. And trying to get the chip writer working has been difficult. So what it is, it's a chip programmer, and it allows me to write to NeXT ROM chips. And so I've been trying to configure it with the help of ChatGPT, going on, I don't know, 8 hours at least today. And I think I'm finally going to just revert back to Windows 7 and XP. So I anticipated Bella the cat kind of being gonna meow and meow and meow. So because she wants treats, I'm gonna have to pivot. And we're gonna get cat training in this video as well. So what I'm gonna do is, this over here is an AMS, and this is a Bambu Labs X1C carbon printer. The second one. The first one is back over there, and as you can tell from my videos, I've been trying very hard to figure out why it won't accept the filament. And I've come to the realization that it's not me, after poring over so many videos and documents of people. And I'm going to chase down what my problem is, because I built so many computers. One of the things, and I should have thought of this weeks ago, is to have a hot spare. So I'm going to go ahead and set this printer up and the AMS. And, you know, there's always these unboxing videos. I'm not going to try and be all professional and you hear the slice. I'm just going to go for it. And, you know, I'm going to be very studious. It is 1:30 in the morning. So let's see if we can train Bella, since she's going to be a participant in this video. Come here. So this is called a cat training wand. And apparently you can train cats. This is going to be interesting. So the first action is, if she bumps her nose on this, she gets a treat. Because I'm tired of giving her just handfuls of treat. And they're being like, no required, you know, action to get a treat. And, you know, then she thinks that she's entitled. 5 minutes later, all day long. You know, it's just like fancy feast on tap. So Bella, come here. It's got a little clicker. Can we train a cat? Well, she's already jumping up over here. Come here. Come to this side. Like a cat, she's obviously going to be out of view. So come on over. Come here. Over to this way. Yeah. Okay, she hears this. Bella, come here. You got to get in view. Come here. Here. You want a treat? Hey, come here. Bump your nose. Good. What? Yes, I can see it's going to work well. She's about 20 years old. Come here. You're going to continue to bow. At least eat the treat. Huh? So this could be comical. Here, how about beg? Can you beg? No? Can you just be a cat? All right. So, hey, you may actually discover that one. So for starters, so I'm not being a complete clown, and apparently she doesn't like the treats on this side of the room. And man, I should just give up. I want to see a cat do a trick. I really do. Okay. So for ambience around here, I've got this little laser pointer deal. It does special effects. And with any luck, I could get this working. And I really like, oh man, I'm using this chair because the other one squeaks and it would drive you guys nuts, almost as much as the cat training video. Oh my God, dude.